So hello everyone. So today first we will see how to import a IS file for calculation of Dialog software. So as you can see in the screen, there can be interior project, exterior project or any street lighting project. So let's say for the first example we consider a new interior project. So firstly the length and dimensions would be given. So you just can click OK. But again we need to revalidate and revisit to update the calculation size. So for that go right click here, go to the edit room geometry, and let's say length has to be 8 meters length, height let's say it is 3 meters height or 6 meter height, width is let's say 6 meter, and then just click OK. So just take the hand tool to drag and adjust the screen. Go to this bar to see three dimensionally how does it look, and use this rotate view to have a look on the update how the room really looks like. Now for calculation IS file, IS stands for Illumination Engineering Society. So each manufacturer has their specific IS file wherein all the data informations are added into that IS file. So for carrying out the calculation we need the IS file, proper IS file. So I'll show how to import the IS file into this Dialog software for the lighting calculation purpose. So many manufacturer, for many manufacturer, the IS files are available online in their portal itself. But due to some restrictions, many manufacturers do not populate those IS files in their web page. So for that, we need to coordinate to the manufacturer representative, salesperson or vendor, and they can just share the IS file as per our requirement. So here I have some IS file of Crompton Grids, right? So I'll just show how to import that. So go to File, Import, and you will have this Luminar files mentioned here. Click onto the Luminar files, and mine one is saved in desktop. So I'll go to desktop and click onto this IS file, and these are the IS files that I currently have. So these many IS files. So for the sake of example, let me select this second one IS file and just click open. So by predefined, the dimension as per the size of the fixture is mentioned. So but you can definitely modify based on the requirement, but it is advisable to keep the dimensions as it is, which is given by the vendor. So click OK. So if you see under your project, this light fixture will get mapped. Now if you want to utilize this light fixture into the project, see the plan view, right click it, or simply drag and drop it. So this will get dragged here. Now by default, as you drag it, the mounting becomes surface mounted. But if the room height is quite high, and if we want to have a suspended arrangement of this light fixture, you can just go here, get user defined. So 6 meter being the room height, it's showing by default 6 meter as the mounting height. So suspend it, I want to suspend it by let's say 1 meter. So it would be at this 5 meter mounting height. And then for symmetry, what you can do, you can just right click, copy along a line. So let's say number of copies I want to do, let's say 3. So you can just copy it and you can just drag it. So just click here. I'll show it from the beginning itself. Just drag and drop. Right click. Copy along a reference line. So let's say this would be a reference line. copy along a line, number of copies, let's say 5, position of the last copy is 6, copy. First just measure the distance, 8 meter. So copy along a line, 5, this is 4.9 meter, 8 meter. Copy, paste it. Paste it. So and just click it here. Just run the calculation, but before calculation we need to put a calculation surface. So go in objects, calculation surface, just insert, keep it centered and just put it here, and the surface would be at 0. I want to calculate at the grade level what is a light level, and just run this calculation. So if you go to in 3D view, you will see how actually the light is looking, right? So all these are surface mounted, so I want to do it suspended. So user defined 1 meter suspended height. I would change it. So here also I would change it. So 1 meter. This is also at rerun the calculation. So this is how it looks like at 1 meter suspension. So now if you see the graph, so it literally looks like this. So it's very less lux level, around 50 lux level, which has been achieved here, right? And some portion is thrown onto the wall of the building. You can see, go to the output, project, room 1, room surface, calculation surface 1, and see the value chart. So you can get an idea how much is the value that is coming. So it will be close to 45 or something, average lux. 32 lux, right? So accordingly you can just redefine the requirement, and based on that you can just have the calculation that is required.